Do you see? Okay,
Yes.
now, it's red color. Okay, listen to me. Important thing. I saw all the students is already enrolled in Alex. Maybe one or two is not, but the rest is okay. Super, super okay. Uh-huh. I did so. I changed something. Okay, I suppose you like so much. The homework and the test now is due September 22nd, not 17. Extending because my intention is September 17 is the last day for the test number one. I sent to you the test on paper. No, you have the entire weekend for doing the test on paper. I suppose that you start working the homework, and when you are ready, switching to the test, pre-test first and test second. No, the pre-test is not mandatory. Pre-test is just practice for the test because it's very, very, very similar. I did that. No, no the same, but it's similar. Now, entonces, September 22nd, we start the new topic for the test number two, y I collect the test on paper, y I checking online in Alex, you test online. So basically, you have two tests, test on paper and test online. And remember, the test on paper, you write, show me your work in detail. No, I do not suppose anything. I'm clear. You write on the paper, you took a picture, or you scan and you scanner and send me back. Okay, entonces when I do September 27 at midnight. Entonces when I wake up early in the morning, September 23rd, I graded it. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another question, espérate, wait, another question. You have no question, extra question? We start now the topic today or no? Or not yet?
No question. No question.
Okay. Okay, you see que you like that board. Let me see si hay okay or no. Okay, that board is the board que you see. Everyone saw that board. Do you see the board? Do you see the board?
Yes, yes.
Excellent. Bueno.
Yes.
Okay, the topic today is radical equations. The radical equation is super easy to recognize because it's equation that include radical. This is the most important. Radical is like square root, no? Or cubic root or four root. Entonces, the typical format, what is the key idea? What is the key idea for solving any radical equation? You have a square root, any expression, I copy in general, the theoretical idea, any expression, equal one number, I put 10, but I put 10, 20, 100, either one. This is not important. It's a number. It's a typical format. Then you eliminate the radical, square both sides. So when the radical is totally isolated, you destroy the radical square because I know the square power and the square root cancel out, and we have any equal, of course, 10 times 10 is 100, and we have a new equation, right? This new equation, this is the most important idea now. Listen to me. This is clear. This is easy. This equation is easier than the original que contain radical. However, is not equivalent 100% with the original. So this and this is not the same. It's, it's approximately, but it's not the same. Therefore, it's mandatory when you solving this equation, it's mandatory checking. So you suppose you get a solution, and this solution you need to prove it's true statement into the original equation. The mandatory is part of the job, the checking part. How you checking? Well, easy. You substitution this solution. The solution for this, que es easier, x equals something, x equals something. Suppose you have two solutions, A and B. You plug it in this solution into the original equation, que es this equation, in order to verify si this statement is true or false. because sometimes happens, sometimes I want to illustrate very well today. Okay, we have one solution that doesn't work, and this solution is called extraneous solution. Extraneous solution. It's a bad guy. A solution that doesn't work. Okay, and this is always, not always, but it's happening that you need to be aware for this situation. When the index, when what? When you checking, always. When the index that you need to check in the solution, when the index of the root is even number. For example, it's even number. For example, in this case is a square root. And a square root, you know, the index is 2. It's invisible 2, but it's the index. Entonces, when it's even number, the index, you have to check. When the index is, suppose cubic root, any number, any expression, sorry, equal 10, again. But now I using cubic root. You cubic both sides. Now it's any again, eliminate the right, is equal 1,000, no? So 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. In this case, we don't check it. Because when this odd exponent, when the index is odd exponent, I don't know what you don't know. Odd number. Yeah. Danisha, what's going on? I don't know. Do you see the board very well or no? Claudia Gonzalez. I am connected, but I cannot hear. Let me see the audio is mute. Let me see. No, it's okay. Audio is okay. My microphone is on. Sergio Lopez. I don't know. What you don't know? Okay. See, the index is odd numbers. Odd number means 3 or 5 or 7, no? You don't need to check. See, the index is even. This is a square root or 4 root. You need to check it. I'm going to leave it open in the case it's running late. Okay. So you cannot connecting. You try again. Put it download everything and put it again this. Okay, let's see example, guys, of the radical equation. Let me start for the elementary example. Very elementary. You see the process. Now, little by little, I complicate your life, no? Okay. Example 1. Everyone follow me or no?
Yes.
Suppose this equation
Yes.
is eso, 2 square root 2x minus 1 equal 1. Suppose this, solve this, solve for x. Good. Okay, so you remember the key idea. You copy again. I recommend copy again this equation. You square both sides. Square. The radical is eliminated. And 1 squared by coincidence is 1. Okay. Now this is a linear equation, super easy. You solve that. I move -1 to the right-hand side like a +1. It's a 1 plus 1, that's 2. Finally, divided by 2 both sides. To me, is the same. X equal 1. What do you say is the same? It's not the same. You listen to me. I want to prove it's not the same. Okay? In this case, it's the same, but not always is the same. You only try to understand my explanation. When you have a question, but a good question, not a stupid question, you let me know, right? I thinking we are wrong chat. Okay. Uy. Okay, hi, where have Professor Tawada, call algebra. Is people say he's on the WhatsApp. No WhatsApp, I explained que no WhatsApp. Es Skype. Y ahí send the email, the link. Okay. Now the checking part. This is important, and the student forgot the checking part. The checking part is you take the original equation. This is the original equation. Look. You copy again. Square root 2, but you replace x for 1, que es the solution I try to check it. You replace 1 here, this one here. 2 times 1, minus 1, should be, I claim that, question mark, 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and the square root 1 is equal to 1. This is true. Therefore, this solution 1 is good. Solution set of this radical equation is just 1. Any question? Any question? No?
No.
No.
Okay. Let's go to the more complicated example. More interesting example. Okay. Clear.
Professor, really quick,
Say again,
I have a quick question.
please go ahead.
Okay, so the solution set doesn't always have to be 2 numbers, right? Because
Absolutely, yeah. You checking, and you see in this example, sir, you checking. See, one solution it's not true statement, it's false. It's because it's a extraneous solution. It's bad solution, and you discard automatic. You see in this example, this idea. Okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. This example is square root x plus 8. Okay, equal plus 12 equal x. Okay, immediately you recognize, wow, Jasmine Martinez, no. What mean no? No what? This is a radical equation because involve the radical, one radical. The first thing you should do is isolate the radical. Isolate radical expression. Entonces, square root x plus 8 is equal x minus 12. I move 12 to the right hand side using opposite sign, no? Negative. And now ready to square both sides. X plus 8 without radical is equal a new multiplication x minus 12 times x minus 12, no? You FOIL if you want, x squared minus 12x minus 12x again plus 144, que es 12 times 12. And we combine like that, why not? X plus 8 is equal x squared minus 24x plus 140. Let me ask a question. What kind of equation you consider that we have in this line? What kind? What kind of equation that we studied last class? What kind of equation? Name. I need to know the name of this equation, of this lady. No idea?
Standard?
Well,